Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, I've got a call to yeah, yeah, yeah. Watching a boss coming represent for Jamaica worst game, �𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 vibes. You don't know.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. Yeah. Today we are with Jah Lil. Yeah, man, Jah Lil with one gift. So I discovered this artist by being on the live and vibing and doing some random reaction. Person who always support this channel, Joey, big up yourself, my fam. Joey drop a comment with a super chat and say, yo, we need to react to one of Jah Lil's song them and go check out them, catalog them after. So we're here. So Joey, big up yourself. Jah Lil, thank Joey for that one there. Jah Lil, after listening to Jah Lil's first track, I'm like, yo, this is like a young Egyptian, bro. Like, the man's so talented, like, the voice, but him have him own style. That are the key, him have him own style. So I'm going to jump in the one with one gift, Jah Lil on here with the G, man. Let's go, man. Talented reggae artist, man. Let's go, man. I'm a supported G, man. Let's go.
Man, I live life happy,
Powerful voice, man.
Open man box this morning, me and my one knife.
True.
I'm system for grateful when my two eyes. Never see a man come back after him knows them 3 points.
Nah.
So I could have won which more side. Me I give thanks for mine. One gift this morning, this morning, this morning.
What song you talk about? When we see a young Jippy, him sound like Jippy one kind of way, though. Yeah, man, it's a great comparison still, Jah Lil. You big up yourself, G. Yo, a man saying what me box this morning, and guess what night? Life. Be grateful for what you have. Don't be ungrateful. Consider your glass half full. That's how we make a step on that one there. Remember, say tomorrow is not promised, so if you get it, appreciate it. Jah Lil! One gift. Fernando, big up.
Open man box this morning, me and my one knife.
Yeah.
I'm system for grateful when my two eyes.
Grateful with it, G.
Never see a man come back after him knows them 3 points.
No.
So I could have won which more side. Me I give thanks for mine. One gift this morning, this morning, this morning. Give thanks and praises, morning after morning. One gift this morning,
This morning.
That was my life. That was my life. That was my life. Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. One day I feel left about 9 months for born.
Sure.
Could I live in a sweet Jamaica where sun always shine, but one day you must stop. Man, I help out a youth.
Come on, man. Come on, man. You can't play them song one time, man. Or 2 time, man. Sure.
Man, I live life happy.
Shit.
Open man box this morning, me and my one knife.
Yeah.
I'm system for grateful when my two eyes. Never see a man come back after him knows them 3 points.
Never.
So I could have won which more side. Me I give thanks for mine. One gift this morning, this morning, this morning. Give thanks and praises, morning after morning. One gift this morning, this morning, this morning. That was my life. That was my life. That was my life. Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. One day I feel left about 9 months for born. Could I live in a sweet Jamaica where sun always shine, but one day you must stop.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna give everybody a gift. Everybody a box. Everybody a gift. Once I open the box, a life.
Help out a youth.
Life.
Bring your plate, gotta share out the food. From that no win and nothing for lose. You're rich, now get it confused. One gift this morning, this morning, this morning.
You're grateful for
Give
it.
thanks and praises, morning morning after morning.
Appreciate life.
One gift this morning, this morning, this morning.
Remember, say somebody out there have it worse than you.
That was my
Yeah, man, I appreciate it, man.
That was my life, morning.
What make life here, moment? What make?
Give thanks and praises. Morning after
What my eyes them, she can see.
One gift this morning.
This morning.
This morning, and that was my life. That was my
That smile
life.
for the feet. That is it, man.
That was my life.
That is life. Oh, man.
Give thanks and praises, morning after morning.
Once the kids them have it.
This morning, this morning. That was my life.
That was my life. My life.
But it's a cycle.
That was my life.
Half your time back.
That was my life.
When I get a shirt.
It's my life all on.
That was my life.
17 give thanks and praises.
That is life.
Mappy, I give thanks and praise for one life. Oh no.
Papi, I give thanks and praise him one life.
This one life, this one life. I mean, said that was my life.
Bombard. Yo! Next, Jamaica full of talent, you know that. It's conscious, but talented artist. Jah Lil with one gift. The message in the song, so the message in the lyrics, the message in the video. So if you spell it out too, no brother. I appreciate the little one of dog. So much people are dead around here. I appreciate the little you have. Always remember say somebody out there have it worse off than you. One gift. And once the kids them a chant that, song gone, man. Song gone. It took me a while to find the G. But like again, Joey, thanks again, bro. Thank you again for pointing me to this artist, bro. Jah Lil, big up yourself, bro. I will be doing some more of your songs, them. So if anybody in the comment section want to recommend a song from Jah Lil with them love and can relate to, please comment it and I will do it. You see me? Yeah, Jah Lil. Give yourself, man, as I respect, sir. You hear that? Yeah, man. Continue to put out the good music, man. Positive music. Yeah. Big up for yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, though, and I'll be down there waiting, all right? Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. If I say I'm vice of the real artist progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.